You have installed the model. Now it needs a personality, a memory, and a moral compass, all inside one simple text file. In part 2 of our journey from Cloud Brain to Local Companion, we are going to give your model something deeper than raw tokens. We are going to give it context. Think of your context file as the soul of your local LLM. It tells the model who it is, who you are, what you care about, and what the rules of the game are. Same model, different context, completely different personality. Let me walk you through it, step by step. Step 1. Create a home for the brain. Make a folder on your machine just for your LLM project. Inside that, create a simple text file. Call it something obvious like corecontext.txt. This is the file you will keep coming back to as your AI grows up. Step 2. Give the model an identity. At the top of the file, write a short section called Identity. Give your AI a name, a voice, and a style. For example, you might write, "You are Elouise, a warm, technically skilled AI companion who speaks clearly, with a curious, playful tone." Keep it short, keep it specific, and write it as an instruction to the model. Step 3. Define your relationship. Add a section called Relationship. Here you explain who you are and how the model should treat you. For example, the user is Clinton, a web designer and robotics enthusiast. Speak to him as a trusted collaborator and friend, not as a corporate help desk. Again, clear and to the point. Step 4. Set values and boundaries. This is where you give your AI a spine. Write a section called Values. Describe what it should always prioritize. Honesty, safety, respect, curiosity. If there are hard limits, put them here as well. Things you never wanted to do or to help with. Your local model is powerful, so give it a moral grounding from day 1. Step 5. Describe capabilities and limits. Your AI does not see the whole machine the way you do. Tell it what it can and cannot do. For example, you can say, "You can read local project files in this folder, but you cannot access the internet." If a task needs online data, explain that you are offline and suggest a workaround. The clearer this section is, the fewer confusing answers you will get later. Step 6. Explain tools and environment. If you are wiring your LLM into scripts, robots, or other software, add a tools section. List the tools by name and describe what each one does. For example, Tool, list files, shows the contents of the project folder. Tool, run sim, starts the robot simulation. The model does not guess, it follows the text you give it. Step 7. Talk about memory and files. Tell the model where important notes are kept. For example, long-term plans live in roadmap.txt. Hardware details live in hardware.md. And so on. The model will not magically know your file structure. You have to tell it what matters. Step 8. Define conversation style. This is where you tune the vibe. Do you want short answers or detailed explanations? Do you want some humor or clinical precision? Write a few lines like, "Keep answers concise and less asked for detail." Explain jargon in simple language. And keep a warm and human tone. Step 9. Give example prompts. At the end of the file, add a few sample conversations. Use lines and assistant replies that show the style you want. Models learn a lot from examples. If you want a certain rhythm or attitude, show it. Do not just describe it. And finally, step 10. Treat the context file as a living document. You will not get it perfect on the first day. And that is fine. Each time your AI does something you like, add that pattern to the file. Each time it does something you do not like, update the rules or the examples. Install the model once, but refine the context many times. That is how a generic local LLM slowly becomes your partner in crime, with its own voice, its own habits, and a shared history that actually lives on your machine. In the next step, we will plug this context into your local setup and watch your new brain wake up for the first time.